Now we will be understanding that some troubleshooting common AI issues. What to do when AI goes off script? This is very much important, ladies and gentlemen, in this current scenario. People are using it, but they are not aware that what to do when artificial intelligence goes off script. So now I have explained it on the screen. So the first one to understand that the vague responses, rephrase with more specifics, add examples of what you want, break the request into smaller, clear, and very precise questions. Ladies and gentlemen, this is very much important. Artificial intelligence works on prompt. Whenever you are facing any undesirable output, you are not getting what you want, then try to break down your prompt. Try to give some specific prompt that only can solve the problem which is related to vague responses. Another point is that the fact errors. So ask artificial intelligence to cite sources or explain reasoning, verify critical information elsewhere, request step by step explanation. Sometimes there might be fact error. So for that, try to tell them to verify the very much important information, or try to say them to step by step explanations. Another point is that repetitive answer. Sometimes you might face a problem that AI start giving answer in a same way. So try to change wording or approach. Ask for different perspectives. Add constraints to force variety in responses. These are the things, these are the techniques that you will have to use. Another point is that off topic result. Reinforce your goal and context. Remove ambiguous terms. Specify exact what you want to avoid. These are the things that you have to focus on. Remove the jargons. Remove the terms which are ambiguous in nature. Tell them what to do precisely and exactly what to avoid and what to do. So most issues resolve with this better prompting. Don't give up after one failed attempt. Refine your approach based on what didn't work. And now, very much important thing to understand in this current era, that empowering your future. So, ladies and gentlemen, artificial intelligence for productivity, innovation, and responsible use. These are very much important to understand. On your screen, you can see that there are three boxes. One is related with the practice daily, another one is stay informed, and the third one is think critically. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to tell you all that the first thing you have to understand, that use AI tools regularly to build intuitions about what works and what doesn't. Once you will not be in contact with it, you will forget what to do and what not to do from them, how to manage them, how to talk to them. These are the things that you can learn after so much practice, after interactions. Another thing is that stay informed in this current generation. Follow AI developments and learn about the new capabilities and limitations. There are so many tools that we will see in future, that how they work, in which domain they work. So you have to be static to the information which are changing. These are the very much important things. And last, think critically. Always question AI outputs and verify important information independently. Ladies and gentlemen, in this current era, I feel that mastering AI interaction is a very valuable skill for future. I feel that by combining clarity, context, and creativity with responsible use, you unlock power, tool for productivity, innovation, and continuous learning. The AI frontier is yours to navigate safely and effectively. Ladies and gentlemen, these are the things that we had to learn, and in future we will learn more and more about artificial intelligence. So stay tuned, stay with our channel, and learn all those things from scratch, and learn what these can do and what these cannot. So thank you everyone.